What's going on, traders? Welcome to one of the most prolific, profitable day trading days I've ever witnessed in my life. And I'm not saying that with exaggeration. Even though it doesn't look like much happened, let's review two stocks and the setups that were on the day trading time frame. This is Tesla, and it did gap up above the open of yesterday, which means we are allowed to trade it pretty early on if we need to. Here's the 3-minute Tinny May strategy that we have been focusing on primarily in our trading rooms. And by the way, we are crushing it. 9 Rs on profitable official trades already for the month of March. That's remarkable. So here we go on Tesla. This is the 3-minute time frame. First bull candle to close below the Tinny May was this one. First bear candle to close above the Tinny May was this one. So this bear candle obviously didn't trigger. This one didn't trigger. This one didn't trigger. Boom. Canceled the long and look for a short since we closed below the 10. This candle comes in, entry here, stop loss there, and that would have worked for 1.2 Rs. Then, as soon as you exit the short right there at the low of the day for a 1.2, 1.3 R win, you get a bear candle, very first bear candle closing above the 10 EMA. Entry here, stop loss there, 1.2 Rs right there on Tesla. And then after that trade, a bull candle closing below the 10 EMA right here, entry there, stop loss there, and your 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 right about there on Tesla. Up about 3.6 Rs already on a Monday. And then after that bear trade worked out, guessed it, bang, inside high wave, bear candle closing above the 10 EMA, entry there, stop there, 1.2 Rs right on the button for 4.8 Rs on the day just on Tesla. And the best part is it also works on Apple really, really well. Check this bad boy out. So Apple on a 3-minute chart, we actually had 2 or 3 traders that traded this bear candle right there. Entry here, stop there, 1.2 Rs there. That was very nice. If you did not take that, it's okay. This bear candle did not trigger. This one did not trigger, so you would have waited for both of those. Nothing here, all the way to the low of the day, right? So no trade there on the short early. And then Bangtown. Bear candle closing above the 10, entry, stop loss, huge win. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous move. And then look at this. Apple makes a new high of day right here on 166 and some change, which ironically enough is also right at the 100 SMA on the daily. And then bull candle closing below the 10 right there. Entry below that candle, stop above that moving average, and this would have just been an absolute scorcher. I mean, there's your profit in one candle right here. Huge Bangtown win. Very, very nice. And check it out. Look at this one. Our boy Jose, epic day, my best day of the year, 4 Rs on Apple on the way up and down. To look at these 2 Rs that he made on Apple. That is so fantastic. Great job, Jose. And ladies and gentlemen, just congratulations for being a part of Real Life Trading. Thank you for helping us with our mission, which is to enrich lives. I hope this video and walkthrough of the Tinny May strategy was helpful. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to pop over to reallifetrading.com and make sure that you and I day trade the markets together. I will be in the live trading room all Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week from 9 to 11 a.m. Eastern, and also next week. Also, keep in mind, we have a new kids trading course. Do you have children or do you have friends that have children? If so, totally complimentary, absolutely zero cost to you course on kids trading. We're going to teach young adults from age 7 to 77 how to trade the market. So make sure to log in, sign up for you and your family. Let's be a part of this. Let's talk about all the good stuff, mindset around money, how to interpret data, introduction to the stock market, making sense of problem, relationship, teamwork, supply and demand. It's going to be absolutely legendary, and I cannot wait to see you there. And until next time, love life, live, live, and trade it. You rock. Bye.